If you're launching a new product on Amazon, you need to make sure you have the right tools to give your product the best chance at success. JungleScout is one of the most powerful platforms designed to help Amazon sellers do just that. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use JungleScout for launching new Amazon products effectively from the research phase all the way through to your product's launch. Stick around to the end, because I'll also be giving you access to a special extended free trial for JungleScout with exclusive bonuses. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you'll want to do when launching a new product is understand the market you're entering. JungleScout's product research tool makes this easy. By using the product database, you can filter through thousands of Amazon listings based on key criteria like sales rank, price, reviews, and more. This allows you to find products that not only have demand, but also a decent level of competition, so you know whether or not your product has the potential to succeed. Once you've narrowed down some potential products, the next step is to dive deeper into competition analysis. JungleScout's product tracker lets you track competitors' performance over time, so you can monitor their sales, pricing trends, and even inventory levels. Knowing what your competitors are doing can give you insight into their strategies and highlight areas where you can differentiate your product. Now, let's talk about profitability. When launching a new Amazon product, you want to ensure that it's going to be profitable. JungleScout's sales analytics tool helps you estimate your potential profits. It shows you exactly how much you could make after Amazon's fees, production costs, and shipping. By crunching these numbers, you'll know if your product idea is viable and how to price it for maximum profit. Next up is keyword research. JungleScout's Keyword Scout tool is a must-have when launching a product because it helps you find high-volume keywords that your target audience is searching for. This ensures that your product listing will rank higher in Amazon search results, driving more organic traffic to your product page. You'll get a complete list of relevant keywords, along with their search volume, competition level, and estimated conversion rate. Another feature that's crucial for a successful launch is creating an optimized listing. JungleScout's Listing Builder tool helps you create compelling product listings with relevant keywords, high-quality images, and persuasive copy. It also helps you assess how well your listing is optimized against your competition, ensuring you stand out on the platform. But JungleScout isn't just about research and listing optimization. Once your product is live, JungleScout's launch feature allows you to run targeted promotions and PPC campaigns. You can use their advertising tools to create Amazon ads that reach your ideal customer base and track your ad performance so you can make data-driven adjustments. To wrap it up, launching a new Amazon product requires a solid strategy, and JungleScout has all the tools to make sure you get it right. From market research to competitor analysis, profitability forecasting, keyword optimization, and even advertising, JungleScout gives you the edge you need to succeed. As promised, I've got a special bonus for you. You can access JungleScout for free through the link below with an extended trial and exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on this opportunity to start your product launch off the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.